Welcome back, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if you're a first time viewer, let me officially welcome you. Over here, we react to funny comedy clips from TikTok, and eventually, we will also be reacting to music for sure. So, we have a new content to react to. Let's see if we can find some funny bits in this one. And if you're not part of the family yet, if you're not part of the gang, subscribe and let's keep growing. And let's get straight into the video, man.
Senior man, I beg, help me pass the paper for there.
Shekpe, what is my real name?
Bros, I beg, just...
Shekpe,
Aye.
me and you have been working in this office for 4 years.
Make you calm,
And I'm 100% sure they have forgotten my name.
calm down. Me, I didn't forget. I didn't forget.
HR called me by my name this morning. You cannot tell me you forgot my name.
Me, wait, don't forget what I chopped this morning, bro.
Okay, what is the name of that girl that seated there?
She.
How can you forget the name of your girlfriend?
Wait,
your
wait.
girlfriend.
What's calm down.
Okay, what's her name?
Back on that, calm down now.
What's her name?
BF. Back on that, calm down.
Why is he called Shekwe? Why is his eyes so red like that? Mr. Still Your Girlfriend is in town. Mr. Still Your Girlfriend is in town. Hide your girlfriends. Oh. Damn. It be like that. It be like that sometimes, man. It's hard. It's sad. It be like that sometimes, man. Ooh. You're telling me you will live that life for this one, man. You don't know what's in the bag. It's just you saw just one note. Ooh. What were you expecting, bro? You think she was gonna be there forever? You are jonesing yourself. What if it's just one note in the bag? Is that a flower? There is no way she will pick the flower over money. What was he expecting? What was he thinking? Are you 2 years old? Open the bag. What did I say? I said it. I think she's from Ghana. Not because of her attitude towards material things, but just because how she... I would say more than that. If you know, you know. You see? When you spend time chasing material things, that's how it ends. But. Yeah. Too bad, sister. Too bad, sister. How to survive eaten by a giant shark. So there's a piece of meat just casually hanging there. How did you get firewood inside a whale? How did you find a matches, a lighter inside a whale's stomach? Wow, really? Even a stool, really? Where did the knife even come from? Wow, just eat, feast. It's Christmas, baby. It's Christmas, baby.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thought.
Oh, shit. Damn, free food. You know how long it would take you to eat a whale? thousands of years. You will just be in there eating the room for thousands of years.
See, for thank God say I entered this village though, because this village gets better parent.
Who even give you directions to this village?
I don't know.
Hope say we go see motor, we go take us back you.
Who is this?
You can guess.
Jumbu.
No.
Chukwemeka.
No.
Ifeanyi.
No. Guess more.
You're a bad boy.
Keep her
Junior.
guessing.
No.
Bad boy.
Who are you?
Keep her guessing.
Run, Run,
Who are you?
Ewo. I think say na Isabella. Follow. I think say na Isabella.
No try this kind thing next
Well
time.
played,
No,
bro.
sorry, I think say na Isabella.
Well played, player. That's Mercy. That's why they call him the GOAT. That's why they call him
So
the
if
GOAT.
you see Isabella, you no go know.
I go no. I just stop small college.
He's him. We do not condone such behavior over here, but he's him though. You don't want to go inside? You don't want to go inside, you don't feel like going inside. Which one is it? But leave her alone now. Leave her alone now.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Leave her alone now. This thing is dragging. Won't it do it? Wow, this is why they say men are dogs.
I don't know.
Ah, neighbor, come chop o.
So bro was just casually walking with a spoon in his pocket.
Are you okay?
See my contract now.
Na me say make you come wetin. You no know wetin be greeting? Who tell you say come chop na come chop? Come chop na form of greeting. Neighbor come chop o, you go say ah thank you o, dey go. You no ever see neighbor wey dey say come chop, come chop.
Yeah.
Oga respect yourself for this house o.
Yeah. Yo.
What type of play?
Yeah, nah, you can't. Nah, that's bad. That's bad. You can't do him like that. You invited him over. Nah. What? This is how it really be in horror movies. Why is he shaking his waist? That is not even pubs. You even have time to drink. Why is he walking like that, bro? This I really be so. In horror movies, you will run 2 times, you will fall down 3 times. Why? And he is just walking slow, and he always meets up with you. That's crazy. That's every horror movie is the same. When you meet a girl with big polo. This polo she stole from her boyfriend. Wait, no man now. It looks even crazier like that. Like if you wear it fully, it looks even better. Like why is people really be doing this for iPhones? So you forgot about BlackBerry. Everyone just forgot about BlackBerry. You know how the trend was with BlackBerry. That's how it's gonna be with iPhones in a few years' time. So yeah, calm down.
We don't wait for you tire now. Agree to bros. Why did they tire leave from out now? Agree to bros. And I get Pablo. Somebody help some refresh. I don't pay you. Stop being you now.
Greet you, bro. No man, pay for up now. I want to do
No
the different.
lie,
Oh,
so
Tony, update. I
boy.
swear. Like, yeah, problem. Let us no problem. We all update for that phone. That side.
We
So
don't
do
wait
the
till you
enjoyment
tire
ground.
now, but we go soon they go. Why just observe 1 or 2 for years?
For where?
Yeah, now.
It's here.
Don't be EF
No
now.
man, even forest now.
Evil forest.
Greener pasture
At
now.
least this December, I know the line.
Alpha, come take tie this one for neck.
Man, tell leave for this December. No.
Alpha,
Wrong.
don't see. They go tube NS you for here.
When I
Wetin
go find egg of life, now
Egg of life. Egg of life is wild, bro. Egg of life. Abino's chatting clients bring work.
Who on this light now? That's the chance now, the on light. I don't see what they press. Don't say if I break, what you do? What you be MTN card? You talk about iTunes and you still have MTN card. I built this light as well.
Offline. And I just see like a gathered
If a snake is
community
trapped around
of
10 million
albinos.
naira, can you risk your life to take the 10 million naira?
Bro, I can risk my life to take the 10 million naira. Say no, you don't know what Sakpa did to me, bro. You don't know what Sakpa did. Make I explain, give you. The life of the snake, in there at risk. The man we born the snake, the life in there at risk. Everything about the snake in there at risk because I go carry the money, carry the snake. I dey tell you, say I go carry the money, I go carry the snake, I go carry the snake. In meat, na food. See, in bone, na work.
Well, you don't say, the thing get this thing. Me no go it affect you. You know, money is not actually everything, sir.
I said the life of the snake, the life of the snake in there at risk, bro.
But sure, you know, say money no be everything.
Money no be everything. See, person we go tell me this thing, in life they at risk because the person gas stay as in like 10 meters away from me. If now you I go nod you. I will tell you something. If I go tell me say make I leave 10 million naira. Make I can't leave. Make I go carry the boat. They tell me see now this time we say P Square about sing. You know easy.
Easy.
My brother, my sister. Yeah. Because make it put me to verse 3 of the song. Make I can't sing my own. Because they want me now. This time we say no easy. Sakpa day, everything choke.
You just see the snake take the money easy.
Like. This place, I don't get shortcut. You want me?
You say you're British, yeah?
Yeah, I'm British.
Perfect. I just want you to write down every word she says, okay?
I mean, I was like, there was only a little curtain separating us while she was having her makeup done, and I started like going, I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can do this. And she was,
what the hell was that?
What did she say?
What?
She said, yeah, you hit my guest room. I don't want to much. I don't dressing room.
I don't understand anything you're saying.
It's alright. I talk very fast.
Okay, take it slow.
Yeah. You take my dressing room. I think I'm this out. Another person, please.
Why is you sweating like that?
Can I get a bottle of water? Can I get some butter? And some bread and butter. Tomorrow I'm going to go to London. I don't know what to say. Can I get some tomato?
Why is he sweating like this, bro?
Okay. He said,
Slow this.
I just need visa, please.
I just need visa.
Who said this? What's this?
That's what I heard.
No shit, bro.
Okay, no problem.
Why do you want to shake me?
Oh, okay. Sorry. Thank you.
Even seeing you sweat like that, they won't even offer you the job.
I want to sing a song. How may you finish the lyrics? Okay? Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Danjuma.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Jingle bell,
mo fẹ́ kẹ́ parí orin yìí. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell me. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
Danjuma.
By the special grace of God and by the special grace of or by the power of police, everything.
If Indians played soccer,
You know what's crazy? It's actually very realistic. I mean, it would be like in their own league. Sometimes 100 kilometers and the ball will still be where it's always been. Oh my god. Bro is still running. So bro became speed. I'm speechless, bro. I am so speechless, bro. I have so many questions. I'm so speechless.
We have to. This is your night, don't get soft too. Hey!
Definitely deserve that one.
What be this? What be this? What be this?
This is how they've locked so many people inside bottle. Wicked people. Can you just meet someone? Wow.
Jesus.
This is actually.
Another maga down. Hey, you go pay.
You want to add petrol to fire?
You go pay. Hey. Sure.
Wow. This is actually. This happens in real life. Like in real life. Oh. You don't catch waiting past you. Wow.
If there is going to be any fire, it will start in River State.
What is going on right now? Oh.
River State is the litmus test.
Wow. Wow.
I, as an individual,
Bye-bye.
I cannot stop them. I cannot even stand on them.
Not even like a boat, like a paper boat. You won't even go anywhere, you just sink. Damn. You got one over her.
What did they talk? How go touch Ronaldo get money past Messi? Do you know who is Messi? What did they argue now? Ronaldo get money past Messi. May the Lord have mercy on you. You know, Chris? What Ronaldo get money past Messi? Messi get 4 private jets, brand new. When they open multi-million-dollar supermarket from brother, the market they move. They move. It's a lie. Messi will won by Barcelona. Hey! When they argue this guy, they don't sweet me. Now that one not supposed to argue. What do you not supposed to argue for this community? Sabino's father and Ibekwe father, who poor pass. Hey!
Wow.
Now that thing would argue. You get when we argue something like that. Now they clear now. Did they argue that kind of type? No be Sabino's father win poorest man of the year back to back for 4 years. Jesus! Sabino's father name Apollo. If not that always say my name for be poor. Hey! Now don't win this one, don't worry. Go back on another argument with the argue now. Poverty they pain like that. Have you been poor before?
Wow. That's a very
3 African countries with the highest number of people who consume alcohol daily. South Africa, no alcohol, no breakfast. Uganda,
That's true.
Everybody in Uganda drinks alcohol except the president. And lastly, United Republic of Tanzania. Tanzanians will look for every reason to drink alcohol. And when there's no reason, they will drink and wait for the reason to come. You must be wondering, where is Nigeria? Photo. Don't worry. Coaches don't play.
I mean, people they drink, sha. People drink like crazy. That's the last one. People drink like crazy. Nigerians, ooh. I mean, I know for a fact Nigerians in the club is wild. But the Uganda one is true because I've heard that one before, so that's definitely true. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking out the video. I hope y'all enjoyed that one. This is gonna be all for today. I hope I'll see you guys on the other video. And for that, we are out, and I'll see you guys on. Do not forget to join the family, and let's get Lady and Groove together over here. Bye, guys.